This review is of Liquid Remedy Kombucha Orange Splash, naturally flavored, no sugar, organic, USDA organic, and that's non-GMO. Let's see. Here's the blurb. Raw, vegan, unpasteurized, gluten-free, kosher, and it's sugar-free because of the fermentation process. And let's see here. No fat, cholesterol, sodium, or protein. 6 grams of carbs that are not sugars or fiber, 5 of which are erythritol. And here are all of the ingredients. Alright, time to give it a try. Man, had a long drive home. Traffic sucked part of the way. Going like 5 miles an hour for half an hour. The orange and the vinegar-y flavor of kombucha are kind of working with each other. So this is better than a lot of other kombuchas I've tried. In fact, even though there's not any anything other than, I guess it's just stevia. Let me just make sure. Yeah. That's nice. It's not amazing, but you know, kombucha, if it's not sweetened before you eat it or drink it, I mean, it tends to be a little bit, well, usually a lot sour, but this is not. I'm going to try it with some sucralose, though, to see what happens then. But 7.5 on this. That's definitely tasty with sucralose. Wow. That is so nice. That's like an 8.5 at least. Maybe a 9. Really great. Afia, thanks for watching and have a great day.